It's Mr. Zen Sunday School, won't you join in? We'll learn about the Bible, Jesus forgiving sins. Though the world is scary, God will see us through. Keep loving your neighbor just as God keeps loving you.
Miss Roseanne here. Thank you for tuning in to Ascension Kids Sunday School online. I have some good news. In-person Sunday School, that is Kids Sunday School at the church, starts next Sunday, April 11th at 10 a.m. for kids of all ages. All kids must wear masks and keep socially distanced from their seats. After Sunday school, kids will join their families in the church service that begins at 11 o'clock. Now, if you would like to come in person to Sunday school, ask mom or dad to register you by going on our website, www.discoverascension.net, and it's the same registration process if we're coming to in-person church. Okay, so I hope to see you there. Now, if you cannot yet come, that's okay. Ask your mom or dad to request the Zoom link, and then you can join us from your home. Now, today is Easter 2021. Happy Easter. Now, I've been thinking a lot about Easter because when I go into the stores, I see a lot of bunnies and toy chicks and eggs, chocolate eggs and plastic eggs and big eggs and small eggs. And I know we celebrate Easter in church, so I don't know, it can be a little confusing. Well, to clear up your confusion about Easter is our very own Pastor Michael, the pastor of Ascension Church. And he also happens to be my husband. Pastor Michael?
Hello, boys and girls. I want to share with you my favorite new storybook. It is called What is Easter? And it's by Phil Vischer, who's the creator of the VeggieTales. What is Easter? Marcy has a question. What is Easter? That's easy, says Buck Denver. Easter is eggs. Easter is bunnies. You're forgetting something, Buck, says Sunday school lady. Easter is all about Jesus. Marcy is confused. What do eggs and bunnies have to do with Jesus? Good question. Let's talk about winter, says Sunday school lady. Now Buck is confused. Too. Winter? Yes, winter. Winter is cold. Trees don't have leaves in winter. Birds don't lay eggs in winter. Rabbits don't have baby rabbits in winter. There is no new life in winter. Then comes spring. Trees have leaves. Birds lay eggs. Rabbits have baby bunnies. Lots of baby bunnies. Spring is new life, and Jesus is new life. Buck and Marcy are still confused. How is Jesus new life? Jesus said he was bringing new life. But then he died. He was buried in a tomb. There was no new life. It was like winter. But Jesus didn't stay dead. He came back to life. New life. That's right. Easter is a celebration of new life in Jesus. His new life when he rose again, and the new life he promises all of us. I get it, says Buck. Eggs and bunnies remind us of new life. Right, Marcy jumps in happily. And Jesus brings new life. Just like spring brings new life. So Easter is eggs, and Easter is bunnies, because eggs and bunnies remind us of new life in Jesus. New life for all of us. I came that they may have life and have it abundantly, Jesus says in John chapter 10. The end. We all live happily ever after. Thank you for spending time with us this afternoon. Say a happy Easter.
Thank you, Pastor Michael. Pastor Michael, with the help of the author Phil Vischer, helped to clear up the Easter confusion. You see, the season of spring, with all its new life in baby bunnies and baby chicks, new grass and flowers and trees and brightly colored eggs, are all pointers. They are all pointing to and reminding us of the one who created all this new life. That is Jesus. And Jesus gives to anyone who asks the most important new life of all, new life in Him. Have you asked for new life in Jesus? We all need to ask, both grown-ups and kids. We need to ask God to give us this new life. But how do we ask? It's simple. You can pray to Jesus something like this. Dear Jesus, I believe in you, that you died for my sins and then came back to life on Easter. Thank you for this greatest miracle of all. I am sorry for my sins and know you will forgive me and give me the new life now and forever. I trust in you, Lord. Amen. If you prayed that prayer with me, you now have new life in Jesus. Congratulations! This new life makes you a part of God's forever family. It will make you excited to want to do good things for others and be with friends at church to celebrate this new life together. Thank you for being with us this Easter. Now, if you want to learn more about the Easter story, I encourage you to look at last year's Easter video that has puppets and a special visit from a mischievous Easter bunny. It is called Jesus is Alive and can be found in the same place you found this video, in the Ascension Church YouTube channel. I will see you next time. Have a blessed, wonderful, and joyous Easter Sunday. Bye-bye.